Lesson 8. Raghunath Murmu. SGP 1. On Makar holidays, Raghunath would come to his village, Dandbos, a few kilometers away from Rairangpur town in the district of Mayurbhanj. He was then working at Baripada. In those days, he was the only educated man in his area. When he came home, Santals from nearby villages would come to him with their problems. Once an old man came to him. He carefully brought out a letter which he had tightly tied to one end of his cloth and asked, Raghu, can you read this letter for me? It must be from my cousin who lives at Midnapur of West Bengal. SGP 2. Raghunath opened the letter and found that the letter was written in Bengali. In those days, he did not know Bengali well. He could only read a few words. So he replied sadly, Sorry uncle, I cannot read it. It is written in Bengali. But when my cousin came here last time, I told him to write in Santali. The old man said, Yes, uncle, he was written in Santali. Raghu replied, but he has written in the Bengali script. Why did not he write it in Santali script? Asked the old man. Because we don't have a script of our own, uncle, replied Raghunath. This surprised the old man. It also made Raghunath unhappy and said, about 10 years later, he invented a script for Santali. This script is known as Olchiki. SGP 3. Raghunath Murmu was also a great writer. He had written many plays, novels, and poems in Santali. His most important play is Kherwar Beer. Martin Orange, a foreign scholar and writer, called this Santal Mahabharata. Raghunath was awarded by the Odisha Sahitya Academy for his contribution to Santali language and literature. The government of Odisha has named the medical college at Baripada after his name. What Fakir Mohan Senapati is to Odia language and literature, Raghunath Murmu is to Santali language and literature.